Fifth question. In a party of 45 people, each one like tea or coffee or both. 35 people like tea and 20 people like coffee. Find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. Second question, do not like tea. Third question, do not like coffee. Let the people who like tea be capital T. So n of t equal to 35. And let the people who like coffee be C. Therefore n of C equal to 20. 20 people like coffee. Then first question, find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. Both tea and coffee means you find n of t intersection C. What is n of t intersection C? N of t plus n of C minus n of t union C equal to n of t is 35 plus n of C is 20 minus t union C means total people. Total people is 45 equal to 35 plus 20, 55 minus 45 equal to 10 people. So 10 people who like both tea and coffee. Second question, the number of people who do not like tea. That is n of t dash you have to find out. N of t dash equal to n of u minus n of t. What is the value of n of u? 45 minus n of t is 35 equal to 10. So 10 people who do not like tea. Third question, the number of people who do not like coffee. That is n of c dash you find out. N of c dash is equal to n of u minus n of c. N of u is 45 minus n of c is 20. So 45 minus 20 is 25. So 25 people who do not like coffee. Sixth question. In an examination, 50% of the students passed in mathematics and 70% of students passed in science, while 10% students failed in both subjects. 300 students passed in at least one subject. Find the total number of students who appeared in the examination if they took examination in only two subjects. Given 50% of students passed in mathematics. So, percentage of students passed in mathematics equal to n of a, that is 50%. And 70% of students passed in science. Therefore, percentage of students passed in science, that is n of b equal to 70%. And given that 10% of students failed in both. So, here both the subjects are percentage or past percentage. So here also we find the past percentage only we find out. So percentage of students passed in both subject, that is n of a intersection b equal to 100% minus failed percentage is 10%. So 100 minus 10 is 90%. Now percentage of students who have passed in at least one subject, that is n of a union b we find, that is equal to, formula is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. N of a value is 50% plus n of b is 70% minus n of a intersection b is 90%. 50 plus 70 is 120% minus 90% equal to 30%. Given that 300 students passed in at least one subject. So, percentage of students passed, that is 30% means 300 students passed. We find 100% of students passed equal to how many students are passed in the examination. That is total number of students who appeared in the examination you find out. So, we take this is x. Now find the value of x. Now we cross multiply. X into 30% equal to 300 into 100 percentage. So x is equal to 100 into 300 divided by 30. 0 0 cancel. Then for 3 table 1 3s are 3, then 1 3s are 3, then 0. 100 into 10 is 1000. Therefore x is equal to 1000. Therefore total number of students who appeared in the examination equal to 1000.